Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand sum number 15 from cash flow statement. Students, here in 15th sum from the following transactions, calculate cash flow from operating activities. Then, on the basis of given information, we will prepare statement of cash flow from operating activities and also write down the headings under which we will make the transactions. So let's start the sum. Profit before tax. We will write here profit before tax 99,000. After that, income tax provision 29,000. It is non-cash expenses and provisions. Income tax provisions 29,000. Then next, proposed dividend 39,000. Proposed dividend, it also comes under the heading of non-cash expenses and provisions, 39,000. Next, depreciation 22,000. Depreciation 22,000. Next, dividend received 21,000. Then it is non-operating incomes. Dividend received 21,000. Next, interest received 20,000. It also a non-operating incomes. Interest received 20,000. Next, interest paid 28,000. It is a financial expense. Interest paid 28,000. Next, goodwill written off 15,000. It is a non-cash expenses and provisions. Goodwill written off 15,000. Next, profit on sale of asset 12,000. It is a non-operating incomes. Profit on sale of asset 12,000. Then we will make the total $29,000 plus 39,000 plus 22,000 plus 15,000, 1,05,000. 99,000 plus 1,05,000, we will get 2,04,000. Then here only one amount is there, 28,000. 2,04,000 plus 28,000, 2,32,000. Then we will deduct the total of non-operating incomes, 21,000 plus 20,000 plus 12,000, 53,000. हमें माइनस करनी है ये वैल्यू, इसलिए इसे ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे. 2,32,000 minus 53,000, it comes 1,79,000. Then it is operating profit before changes in working capital. But here further information related to current assets and current liabilities are not given, so we can say that it is a net cash flow from operating activities. स्टूडेंट्स इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है हमारा सम नंबर 15। नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ। स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।